Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a special treat for you because I will be sharing with you 10 mouth-watering and easy to follow healthy meal prep recipes for effortless weight loss. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the first recipe. The first recipe is turkey and sweet potato chili. The ingredients to use are 1 pound of lean ground turkey, 2 medium of sweet potatoes peeled and diced, 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed, 1 can of diced tomato, 1 medium of onion chopped 1, 2 cloves of garlic minced 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. The instructions to follow are as follows. In a large skillet over medium heat, brown the ground turkey until fully cooked. Remove from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook until the onion is translucent. Add the sweet potatoes, black beans, diced tomatoes, chili powders, cumin, smoked paprika, salt and pepper to the skillet, then stir well. Add the cooked ground turkey to the skillet and stir well. Reduce the heat to low, cover and simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until sweet potatoes are tender. The second recipe is the grilled chicken and vegetables. The ingredients to use are 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 medium of zucchinis, which is the sliced one, 1 red bell pepper, sliced 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced 1 red onion, sliced 1, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And the instructions to follow are as follows. Preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Brush the chicken breast with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. In a large bowl, toss the sliced zucchinis, red and yellow bell peppers, and red onion with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Then grill the chicken breast for 6 to 7 minutes per side or until fully cooked. Grill the vegetables for 5 to 6 minutes per side or until tender and slightly seared. Divide the chicken and vegetables into meal prep containers. And the third recipe is the cilantro lime shrimp and rice. The ingredients to use are 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined 1 cup of brown rice, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cloves of garlic minced 1, juice of 1 lime, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. And the instructions to follow are as follows. Rinse the brown rice in cold water and drain. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the rice and reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for 40 to 45 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked. In a large skillet over medium heat, add the olive oil and minced garlic. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until fully cooked. Add the cooked rice to the skillet with its shrimp. Add the lime juice, chopped cilantro, salt and pepper to the skillet. Then stir well. Divide the shrimp and the rice into the meal prep containers. And the fourth recipe is the quinoa and black bean salad. The ingredients to use are 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed 1 red bell pepper chopped 1 yellow bell peppers chopped 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And instructions to follow are as follows. Rinse the quinoa in cold water and drain. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the quinoa and reduce the heat to low. Cover the simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the quinoa is fully cooked. In a large bowl, mix together the cooked quinoa, black beans, chopped red and yellow bell peppers, chopped cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Divide the quinoa and black bean salad into meal prep containers. And the fifth recipe is the baked salmon and asparagus. The ingredients to use are as follows. 4 salmon fillets, 1 pound of asparagus trimmed 1, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 lemon sliced 1. And the instructions to follow are as follows. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with a parchment paper. Place the salmon fillet on a baking sheet. Brush the salmon fillet with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Arrange the asparagus around the salmon fillet. Drizzle the asparagus with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the salmon is fully cooked and the asparagus is tender. Sprinkle the chopped parsley over the salmon fillet and garnish with lemon slice. Divide the baked salmon and asparagus into meal prep containers. And besides, if you are gaining some valuable stuff in this video, make sure to give this video a like. Comment by asking any question related to this topic in the comment section below, and then subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that each time I drop new video giving you valuable stuff like this one, you will be the first person to watch, learn and implement what I teach there in the video. Additionally, I want to recommend an amazing plan called the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. This provides a comprehensive guide to the ketogenic diet, which includes over 100 easy to follow keto recipes. These recipes can be prepared in under 30 minutes. Also, this amazing plan supports weight loss and other health benefits. It also comes with bonus resources like a grocery shopping list and meal planning guides. The Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is great for busy individuals who want to save time and effort while staying on track with their keto diet. However, if the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan is of interest to you, then just click the link in the description below and get access to this amazing plan. So with that said, let's get back into the video. And the sixth recipe is the spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast. The ingredients to follow are as follows: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 4 ounces of crumbled feta cheese, 2 cups of fresh spinach, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and the instructions to follow are as follows. Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Cut a pocket into the thickest part of each chicken breast. Stuff each chicken breast with 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese and ½ cup of fresh spinach. Close the pocket with toothpicks to secure the stuffing. Brush the chicken breast with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Remove the toothpicks before serving. Divide the spinach and the feta stuffed chicken breast into meal prep containers. And the 7th recipe is the turkey meatballs and spaghetti squash. The ingredients to use are as follows: 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 spaghetti squash halved and seeded 1, 2 cloves of garlic minced 1, 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 egg beaten 1, salt and pepper to taste, 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And the instructions to follow are as follows: preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together the ground turkey, minced garlic, chopped parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, beaten egg, salt and pepper. Then roll the mixture into meatballs. Place the meatballs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the meatballs are fully cooked. While the meatballs are baking, place the spaghetti squash half on a separate baking sheet, cut side down. Bake in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the spaghetti squash is fully cooked and the flesh can be easily pulled into spaghetti-like strands. Heat the crushed tomato in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the meatballs and spaghetti squash are fully cooked, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a minute. Using a fork, scrape the spaghetti squash flesh into spaghetti-like strands and divide them into meal prep containers. Top the spaghetti squash with turkey meatballs and crushed tomatoes. Garnish with additional grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. And the 8th recipe is the tuna and avocado salad. The ingredients to use are as follows: 2 cans of tuna drained 1, 2 avocados diced 1, 1/4 cup chopped red onions, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, juice of 1 lemon, oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. And the instructions to follow are as follows: in a large bowl, mix together the drained tuna, diced avocado, chopped red onion, chopped celery, chopped parsley, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Divide the tuna and the avocado salad into meal prep containers. And the 9th recipe is the sweet potato and the black bean enchiladas. The ingredients to use are as follows: 4 small sweet potatoes, peeled and diced 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed 1 red pepper, chopped 1 yellow onion, chopped 1 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 8 whole wheat tortilla, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and the instruction to follow are as follows: preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit in a large skillet. Heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, then cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onion is translucent. Add the diced sweet potatoes, chopped red bell peppers, drained black beans, chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper, then cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are tender. Divide the sweet potato and the black bean mixture evenly among the tortillas and roll them up. And place the enchiladas in a baking dish and top them with shredded cheddar cheese. Bake in an oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Garnish with chopped cilantro. Divide the sweet potato and the black bean enchiladas into meal prep containers. And the 10th recipe is the Greek salad with grilled chicken. The ingredients to use are as follows: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 4 cups of mixed greens, 1 cucumber diced 1 pinched cherry tomatoes halved 1 red onion thinly sliced 1 half cup of crumbled feta cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and instruction to follow are as follows: preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Brush the chicken breast with olive oil and season with salt, pepper, and dried oregano. Grill the chicken breast for 5 to 6 minutes per side or until fully cooked. In a large bowl, mix together the minced greens, diced cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, thinly sliced red onions, crumbled feta cheese, and chopped Kalamata olives. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper to make the dressing. Once the chicken breasts are fully cooked, let them cool for a minute before slicing them in stripes. Divide the minced greens and vegetable salad into meal prep containers and top with grilled chicken stripes. Drizzle the dressing over the top of each salad. So congratulations guys, you now have 10 mouth-watering and easy to follow healthy meal prep recipes for effortless weight loss. Don't forget the amazing ultimate keto meal plan I mentioned in this video. If this ultimate keto meal plan interests you, then the link to this is in the description below. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.